Roberto, you got enough light?
No. Get ready, you guys. Well,
No.
What are we doing?
what are we doing? Okay, okay.
Blow, here.
Make a wish, make a wish.
Make a wish. Is this being
Wait a minute.
Ready?
Go.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, blow. Yay! Okay, Christmas, we got a birthday? You're supposed to do that before I do the candles. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Papa Dorothy. Happy birthday to you.
I didn't know you were coming.
That's okay.
I wonder what this is.
What's it nice? I don't know.
Teapots on it.
Oh.
Oh, that's my teapot, right. Oh, am I supposed to, is this for me? That's for you.
I don't believe.
Your
This
present
is-
for me is a combination Christmas.
Hanging on this.
Oh,
Hanging on this
okay.
out here.
That's fine.
That means that
I didn't expect
I didn't
anything
get it.
anyway, I just came for cake.
Well,
That's,
Ooh.
black box.
it's a black box, yay! A black box! A Bordeaux.
Yes, I know.
Is this something special?
Chateau
I mean,
Fontenay.
well, when I went into the store, I said, I want a perfume that's kind of recent, that, you know. Oh, it's a spray. I was gonna go. Anyway, it's one of the. She said this is just out new. Everyone loves
This
it.
money.
Can
Thank
you
you.
eat it?
There's alcohol in it. It says the first thing. It says SD alcohol.
Slide it open. You have to cut it.
Slide
It's
what open?
right there. I don't know why.
Oh.
Now you can drink it. Here, try it. Where do you spray it?
How do you know it's going to fit me?
We don't.
I don't. You
Let
have
me
to
see.
try them on so I can take them back.
What are they?
I'm afraid to do it. How do you do it?
Just spray. Come on, be ready.
I'm pushing.
Push like this, hard. There.
Where's the sound?
Can I smell?
On the
I
back.
didn't even
He's
smell
on the
You know, I
back.
was gonna
It's
give him
Maxine's.
those, but I didn't measure
There's
them.
a. Huh?
I was gonna give him those, but I didn't measure
Keith,
them.
give us
I
a.
think
Oh,
they're
I'm not that big. I'm not that size.
No, I'm between a 34 and a 36.
Well, try them. They might.
They don't
fit
make
me now.
35s.
Try them on now with the video camera.
The length, they didn't
Who
have
wore
30s.
them last?
They're called pre-wash. That's how they come. And they cost more for that.
Why?
Because they're
I
all worn
can't believe
in.
somebody else wore them. And
No,
Can I
they
smell
tumble
your
them around
perfume?
in
It says when it's
What do they give to them?
Smell it from here.
They give all these black guys, they give them all the
Thank you.
Levi's to wear them for a while. Break them in.
Oh, thank you, Chris.
You're welcome. That's what you're saying.
And also I think my legs are my legs are shorter.
And they didn't have, I wanted to
I
get
know.
you 30s or 31s, they didn't
No, I
have.
got short
Good.
legs.
I never saw you in blue jeans.
What about the shirt? Is that one fitting?
I got an extra
You
large.
want to drink this?
Yeah.
No, I don't need
Let's
that.
try this.
It will shrink.
Do you have a corkscrew?
Why? We're not gonna open that up, are we?
Why not?
That's mine.
He's so terrible.
Please, someday you gotta use all these things you get.
The one thing that I thought was, it has, the one I had sediment on the bottom. Is it supposed to? Is
Yeah.
it something
Yes.
Normal. Homemade.
Well, I don't know. The wines that you have here doesn't have stuff on the bottom.
What year was yours?
1984. No. no.
Yeah, the one with the flip
70.
top, right?
It was a year.
Are we gonna drink that?
70.
I mean, if you
it was
want
like
to, I thought that you would might
75
want
or
to taste it.
77 or something.
But you do whatever you
Wait,
want
you're
to
going
do.
off or something. Are you sitting?
It was very good. I liked it a
They're
lot.
drinking water.
Here, one minute, maybe.
Okay. Candy.
Oh, candy.
No, but
Don't put your
what do you think you
saliva
decant a bottle for? And in America, they don't. They filter.
You have to
everything.
try these on before I leave, because otherwise
Oh,
I'll give you
why?
smaller ones. Because.
Why before you leave? Come
Because
on,
I
give me
wanna
a
see
break.
you in
It's
them.
my birthday.
I want to see them, you in them.
I gotta dress up.
No, you don't have to put this on. The pants.
Who's gonna cut and save this?
You were.
Why me?
They make
That's
these.
Billy
They
over
make
there.
normal Levi's like this, pre-washed in
I can't believe
gray
it.
and black
They charge you more.
and light blue.
Why?
Since when?
And then when you take all the.
Where's that knife
they're
called?
called
Hey,
Hey,
that knife wasn't to open your present. It was
That's
to
where I
keep
buy.
it.
I was
What?
buying the
Knife.
Bedford Barn,
Knife
but
with.
the Bedford Barn doesn't have red tags. Levi's have
Somebody's
orange
using this
tags,
for a
and they're
screwdriver.
different. There's a
can't
difference in
believe
it.
how they're made and the material. They're
Oh wait, okay,
this is
someone. A knife.
all cotton, and the other ones have the orange tag have polyester in them.
Oh.
Birthday people are supposed to cut cakes.
Now, what, this is so boring, this, what, you sit there for a half an hour and listen to this idiotic conversation?
That's what's fun about it.
What?
I always forget that there's sound and I say stupid things.